Welcome to Animals Kids channel.
Today, I'm creating a video about farm animals, in which we will tell you about animals, and also tell you the names of animals. This video will be very good for children's education. We will make one pond so that animals can drink fresh water from here. We will keep trees and plants. Animals will enjoy it a lot. Horse are big, beautiful animals that have lived with humans for thousands of years. They have strong legs. Baby horse are called foal. Horse sleeps standing up and lying down. They can live up to 25 to 30 years. People ride them, race them, and even use them to help on farms. Some horses are trained to help people with special needs. A cow is a large farm animal that is kept for milk, meat, and sometimes for work. Female cows are called cow, male are called bull, and baby are called calves. That lives in fields and gives us milk. Cows are herbivores, which means they eat only plants, like grass and hay. Cats are cute, furry animals that lots of people keep as pets. They can be playful, cuddly, and super curious. Cats use their whiskers to feel around and sense things. They have soft paws with sharp claws they can use for climbing or playing. A cat's tail helps it balance and show how it feels. A sheep is a farm animal known for its thick, fluffy wool and gentle nature. Sheep live in groups and are raised mostly for their wool, milk, and meat. Some sheep have horns and they can be curled or straight. Sheep can be white, black, brown, or spotted. Baby sheep is called a lamb. Mother sheep is called a ewe. Father sheep is called a ram. A donkey is a farm animal that looks a bit like a small horse. Donkeys are strong, gentle, and very good at carrying heavy loads. People have used donkeys for thousands of years to help with work, travel, and farming. Donkeys are herbivores, which means they eat plants only. Grass, hay, straw, sometimes fruits and vegetables. Pig are one of the smartest animals on the farm. Pig big round body, a short curly tail, and a cute snout and nose. Pig are known for their oinks, their love of mud, and their playful nature. A baby pig is called a piglet. Pig can run faster, up to 11 miles, 18 kilometers per hour. A goat is a farm animal known for being curious, playful, and great at climbing. Goats are raised for their milk, meat, and sometimes even as pets. Horns. Both males and females can have them. A baby goat is called a kid. A mother goat is called a doe or nanny. A father goat is called a buck or billy. A duck is a bird that loves water. Ducks are found on farms, in ponds, lakes, and even parks. Ducks can swim, waddle, and even fly. Female ducks quack the loudest. Quack, quack. Male ducks are usually quieter and make softer sounds. Roosters are known for their bright feathers, loud crowing, and protective behavior. They live on farms and help guard the hens, female chickens. Bright colors like red, gold, green, black, and white comb. The red crown on top of their head, wattles. The red flaps of skin under their beak. Beak, sharp and strong, used for pecking food. Spurs, sharp bumps on their legs, used for protection. Tail, long and curly feathers that flow behind them. A chicken is a farm bird that lays eggs and gives us tasty meat. Chickens are one of the most common animals on farms all around the world. A baby chicken is called a chick. A girl chicken is called a hen. A boy chicken is called a rooster. Chicks are baby chicken. They're tiny, fluffy, and super cute. When they hatch from eggs, they start their big adventure growing up into hen or rooster. Chicks are covered in soft down feather that help keep them warm. They hatch from eggs after being kept warm by their mom, a hen, for 21 days. A turkey is a large bird that lives on farms and in the wild. Turkeys are known for their big round bodies, fan-shaped tails, and the funny gobble-gobble sound they make. Rabbits are soft, hoppy animals with big ears and fluffy tails. They are gentle and playful and super fun to watch. Rabbits have long ears that help them hear really well. They love to hop around using their strong back legs. Rabbits have a tiny, round, cotton ball tail. They wiggle their noses a lot. That helps them smell everything around them. A dog is a mammal and one of the most popular pets in the world. Dogs are known for being loyal, loving, and smart. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Dogs have amazing noses. They can smell things 100,000 times better than humans. A dog's sense of hearing is also super strong. Birds are amazing animals that can fly high in the sky. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some birds are super small like hummingbirds, and others are big like eagles and ostriches. Birds don't have teeth. They use their beaks to eat. Most birds can fly, thanks to their strong wings. Birds lay eggs to have babies. These are some people who take care of the farmhouse and keep it clean. Now it's time for the animals to eat. We'll give them some food. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.